What do you call it? Your trading yesterday. Give me a little summary. Literally. I'm telling you the formula. There's no secret. All right, listen, we're here. You see everybody? We're about to go play some volleyball. We finished trading. Today's day 3. Green, live this life that you were chosen to live. Morning, guys. Live trading, Puerto Rico. Happy Wednesday. Let's rock and roll. So you didn't see a debrief yesterday. We got home late, long drive, and everyone went out to eat. So you didn't see the debrief. But I'll give you the debrief because we all have it this morning. But I'll give it to you right now. First trade, red. Second trade, more red. Third trade, more. But then throughout the day, a little bit, and then ended green. Good morning. We got Mr. Kamar Smith in the building.
Morning.
What's up, Kamar?
Doing good. How was?
How was dinner?
Dinner was good.
What'd you guys eat?
What's that place called that we ate? The same place we ate when we first came in.
Oh, you guys went back?
Yeah, because the other place, they didn't have the seating for us, so we just went across the street there.
Well, how was it? Was it packed over there?
No. They were about to close, and they stayed open for us.
Nice, nice. The owner remembered us?
They remembered us and stayed open.
What's up? Good morning, Armand.
So, yeah.
Nice. Was it packed or no?
It wasn't packed. Like I said, they were going to close, and they stayed open for us, so that's truly a blessing. You know, they know us.
Nice. Praise. Welcome to the life.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful thing. Yeah. What do you call it? Your trading yesterday. Give me a little summary.
Yesterday, I ended green yesterday. I mean,
praise God. Praise God.
I took the first short that I saw yesterday, and I took that short, so it was good.
You want to play football with me?
Today?
Right now? Outside?
Soccer? Yeah.
No, football. Throw the ball around with me.
Throw the ball. Yeah, let's go do that.
Let's go do that. Come. So we got some, I'll be straight with you. I don't really I love sports, but the life I live, I don't really care to do those things. My brain just runs on, if it's not leveling up my bank account, if it's not helping people, I don't do it. I don't do it. Armand, thank you again for not blasting the car. Every time I see that, I get very happy. Because that sound, we got Armand, but he's shirtless, so we're not going to show that. That's inappropriate. We're not going to show Armand shirtless. Ladies, control yourself if you're watching this. Control yourself. All right, let's do it. Let's keep walking. Good morning, Jennifer. We got Jennifer over here. What's up?
What's up?
She's a mentorship student. This is Eugene's girl. Eugene signed up. You guys probably saw Eugene, and boom. How was dinner yesterday?
Delicious.
Armand, get your shirtless ass out of the picture. Tell me about trading yesterday.
I feel a little more confident
Tell me why.
because we went in when there was a setup. We didn't take trades that I were chasing. So
Did you look at the market? What's your outlook already? That big drop because of NVIDIA yesterday.
yeah, right now it's sideways. There's nothing, but hopefully later on.
What do you think is going to happen? Let's see what you've learned, and then I'll give you my analysis. After a major drop, what are you thinking?
Probably consolidation and then back up.
Let's see, because at 4 a.m. it popped up. I was expecting that at 9:30-ish, but let's see what happens. People came in, buy the dip, and let's see.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Come on, you making breakfast?
That thing that I used to pick up a tree,
Oh, you making that?
I was, but it's on the river.
Got you.
And then I'm frying.
Okay. So who wants to throw the ball with me? Oh, okay. I thought you were cooking. No, do your thing. Do your thing. Welcome to beautiful Puerto Rico. And yeah, this is the view. Let me show you the view, guys. That is the view. Praise God. All I do is hit sell. All I do is hit sell. I don't do anything magical. I am telling you, I don't do anything magical. Candles, levels, and multiple time frames. Literally. I'm telling you the formula. There's no secret. I have a free course. By the way, bought this yesterday at Walmart. We saw some kids playing with it. And I'm like, in the beach. We didn't get that on video. It is what it is. But we went in Walmart, bought a whole bunch of sports stuff. I wanted this. The rest of them wanted a soccer ball. Got them a soccer ball. And then I think they also wanted a volleyball, so I got them a volleyball. So yeah. 2 days green. Praise God. It's the first international trip, that we're doing futures on. The other international trips were always penny stocks. Always penny stocks. But now with futures, see, I do miss penny stocks. I made way, way more money in penny stocks. But one of the big things the reason I changed into futures is how liquid the market is. I get filled at the exact price. I was not playing with a little bit of money. Let's be realistic here with penny stocks. It was a little bit more than a little bit. And when I would get in, most of the time, I would influence it because it was a low float, not a lot of shares in it. So that's what would happen. So boom, waiting for Kamar. We're going to throw this ball. So I'll see you soon. Let's go. So guys, me and Kamar, Mark's mentorship student. Go right there, cool. Oh shit, my bad. Damn. My throws are not that bad usually. Damn. Guys, I'm coming out right now. I know you were watching an episode and lesson, but I just want to let you know, free trading course, daytradeprofessor.com. You're broke, you got no money, you got nothing, but you just want to start it off, Day Trade Professor. Click down below, go in the description and start the free course. It'll help you get along the way. See you in the next one. Let's go. All right. So boom, boom, boom. Oh, face tracking is on. What's up, baby? All right, we're going to play some more, but I'm going to shut this off so it doesn't overheat. The sun is blasting. I'll see you.
Press the mid-tuner 45 figure isn't new. It includes existing tariffs, 125% reciprocal tariff, 20% fentanyl-related tariff, 7.5 to 100% under Section 301 tariff. Bottom line is there's no new tariffs, just misinterpretation. Still, the confusion highlights how complex and unclear the current tariff landscape has become, even for seasoned market watchers.
Third tariff. Well, all right, here we go. Market opens in 1 minute. So, you're not supposed to have it bold, and I'm about to say, I got a $600 ticket yesterday. I'll tell you guys the story late. I got a $600 ticket, no seatbelt, Tronics the shoulder lane. What was the third reason?
Oh, that was only
2 reasons.
Emergency lane, speeding, and bow.
So now, the $600 is what I'm going to make in the markets today or more. But you're not supposed to have that mindset. Don't have that mindset, but this is just for fun. Just for fun. Whenever there's too much fear in the market, people buy gold. Precious metals go up drastically, all the fear that's going on right now. Money has to move somewhere. People don't like holding it, so that's shenanigans they do. We just got to knock. If the next candle's a boom, this is going to fall hard. If it's not, I'm going to hit sell. The officially have a knock, and I'm out. I'm out to trade in our level. Just hit sell. I discovered $435 of my parking ticket. I need my speeding ticket. How much I got left? Thank you, mashallah. How much I got left? I can't do math. What's 600 minus 435? I need to make 160 more. Trade 1 is done. Everyone hit sell. They hit our level. Now it's bouncing off that level. Now, when the hands up, you hit sell. Thank you. We took it up. Jennifer, you didn't hit sell? Oh, put the hands up, girl. Don't stare at me. All right, hands up. You made money.
Can I jump in the pool now?
You can. You have the right to. You have the right to. You trade just like me in real life. Take one good trade and go enjoy your life. So go do this is what I do in New York too. Shut it down. The rest of us, we can analyze if you want.
I make money in 15 hours of a day. Damn. Totally break this level on after right now.
Damn.
He said, I'm
No, these same as me.
okay.
I take one good trade and I walk away.
Not a lot of
He
people.
just said 15 hours of his life he just made.
Yeah.
15 hours. How long are we in that trade? 4 minutes?
Not yet.
Please, I don't think so. Reality of these people watching don't understand. I know 8 hours. I see the hateful comments. I know the things you say about this guy, 20, 30-minute day trader, day and walk away. So you don't know how to trade. It's okay. You'll get there one day.
It's not real.
All right. It's trying to break that level of ours. If this level breaks, collapse hard. Get ready. I just have to pay off my ticket right now. Once I pay off my ticket, I'm going to join Chris.
Yeah.
No, $25 more. Suck it, woo. All right, I got to get back in. I got to pay $25 more. I know this is not the right mindset. This is not the right. I'm going to admit it. No, one more trade. 3 trades. One more.
Go look at your trade.
I need to make $25, Chris. Ticket pay. $50. I'm out. All right, guys. I'm out. I paid for my ticket plus $15. As I said, I fruitioned it yesterday. Listen, all I do is hit sell. I took my 3 trades. I made a little bit, got a parking ticket, and that's it. All I do is hit sell. You live the life you want to live. And can I have breakfast, please? I'll see you. I'll see you at the next day. Bye. Just finished trading. Paid off the ticket, as you saw. Now we're gonna throw some pig skin around. This is not made of pig skin, all right? But it used to be made of pig skin. So we're just gonna throw some pig skin around and have a good time. So you're welcome to join. All right, Tim. Tim. Armand, 5 throws, you can go back. I'll compromise with you. Armand is addicted. What can I do? But I'll 5 throws. Put 5 throws with me, not them. 5 throws with me. Then you can go. Jennifer. You threw so good yesterday. All right, Armand, throw 1 to you. You got 4.
9:30 in the morning, and we're done.
No, 9:45. No,
9:45.
This is just how it's supposed to be. This is how it's supposed to be. Spread out. Steven, spread out. And no, I didn't play college football. I just like football. That was it. Armand, throw number 4. This is a great way to get them out of the house and off the charts. You got to think like this. It's okay. Armand, throw 5. I need to go back on the charts. All right. Come give me a hug and go play back on the charts. Go ahead. Come. Jennifer. Come. Appreciate you. I'm there. So, tell them. So, Armand here didn't want to get off the charts. So, I had to find a way to get him off the charts. You made money today?
Yeah, made money.
Green?
Yeah.
And I said, come. He goes, Professor, hold on. I said, okay, throw 5 balls with me and then go.
You tell them why, and did you tell them why?
Tell them why.
All right, every time I get up, the move happens. This is consistent with me, so I have to learn how to compromise to get up.
The market will always be here.
That's right.
It's all good. All right, you're going to go back on the charts?
I'm just going to do it for 5 more minutes.
See? Go. Okay, thank you.
10:30.
It's okay. Go. All right. Done. So, that's it. Now, I'm going to continue to throw the ball. I'll see you at breakfast. Thank you, everybody. Go look at that view. Look at that view. Yeah. Praise God. I'm interrupting your lesson right now to let you know, if you don't know, you want to get consistent. Well, listen, I wrote 3 books. I got one of them on me right now. How to just hit sell consistently trading, how to be a consistent trader, and the Consistent Trader Journal Checklist. Everything you need. I've covered it already. Why are you wasting your time searching this, that, the third? You're already watching me right now. Might as well get the book. Click down in the description. Get them. And go on your way of what? Consistency. See you in class. Let's go. All right, guys. So last night, we didn't get the debrief. You guys got on at what, midnight? One damn. Yeah, I went to bed like 10:30. I was like, okay, I couldn't keep it up anymore. So let's talk about yesterday, and we could talk about today, and knock out 2 debriefs if you want. We could do it anyway later, but I don't know what is going to happen. I don't know how late you guys are going to go out to eat. So let's just knock that out now. Yeah. So we traded earlier. So appreciate those that want to do it earlier. That worked out. You were done before 10 a.m. But let's talk about yesterday. Yesterday, I started off red, then a little bit, and then green. Praise God. What happened yesterday? Let's talk about yesterday, please. Who wants to go?
The market was indecisive yesterday. I
Yep.
mean, we saw it was indecisive. But with our overall analysis, and we decided on if it goes here, this is what we're going to do. And we did take the trade. We did follow the plan. We did follow what we said we're going to do. But again, the market does what the market wants to do.
Correct. What else? What was the major learning point about yesterday?
Yeah, quick.
Get out quick. Very good.
Even though the setup is how we want it,
Get out
in
quick.
an instant, it could.
Do you understand my logic of just itself? By the way, that's the anthem of 2025. I never said that in all my years ever. Today, so let's talk about today. Hands up if you're green. Put it down. How long were we in the trade for? Total time.
2 years?
Or it was minutes for sure.
Less than 5.
Yeah,
Less than 5? Sure. And because you have 2 more pieces of bread, you can take some bread. Okay. Working on me. Come on. We went to trade for less than 5 minutes. Everyone was green. Immediately. No red today at all. Monday, we were red But the close today green, but we were red, right? One trade was red. Third day, all 3 trades. Well, I took 3. Hands up if you took 3 trades. Hands up if you took 1 trade. 2 trades. Today.
Yeah.
1?
No, two.
2. Hands up 2. Hands up 3. Me and Jennifer? Stevie? Hands up 4. 4, 5 or more. Yeah. So, why, and this is the key, and I want Jennifer to answer this. Why was every trade today green? Why? I want the main reason.
We got out quickly because we knew, like, overall it was indecisive.
Correct.
So we were taking very, very short.
Even faster.
Yeah.
Correct. What else? Armand, why was today green after green?
We were working together. We were all working together.
Communication.
We had a great communication between us. And we just trusted our vets.
We didn't trust our guts, the main thing. We trusted what?
General analysis, really.
Our analysis. Was our analysis on point? Was that level at take profit on point? All right, guys. I'll see you at the jet skis. Bye. Let's go. Roof is off. Let's rock and roll. All right. I'll see you at the beach. Bye. All right, listen. We're here. You see everybody? We're about to go play some volleyball. Garrett. Oh, sorry, Chris. Garrett, pass me the ball, please. All right. We're going to have a volleyball game. I'm going to beat everybody in. Come on. Let's go.
You're chicken to my stand.
Let's go. Chris, Figueroa, leave the phone.
That trade make you confidence, huh?
So we're making it happen. By the way, you see my water shoes? Just Google water shoes, water socks. These are awesome. So we're going to make it happen. Steven, come on. No, you're good, bro. I'm a blessed man. Don't worry about it. After this, we got jet skis. So every mentorship, let me tell you, let me talk to you. Every single mentorship, you know what happens? Come. This is the spot. This is what we do. We finished trading. Hola. And now what we're doing is, that's it. This is what you're supposed to be. We had breakfast. We did what we had to do. We're going to play some volleyball. We have like, what, an hour? And then we're going to jet ski. And then from there, go to the beach that I really like. And then we're going to boogie board. So that's what we're doing. Who's going to get beaten volleyball? You. Oh! All right. Watch the game. I'll see you.
I'm here. Give me that.
Give me this ball. Ready. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Damn. Okay, Jamaica. All right, everyone, rock and roll. Christopher Figueroa.
Ready?
I don't get distracted by the view of what you two are looking at.
No, negative. Never. That's all wrong, sir.
Yes, sir.
Baby. Oh my God,
No. I thought you was going to die or even.
All right, that's all right.
No.
Pull it out. Pull it out. Okay. All right, call out your mom. Okay. All right. No, I'm not there. You're supposed to be one in each quadrant.
Sir? Guys, spread out at 4.
All day, spare ball.
Jet ski time, come on. All right, guys, jet ski time. We're making it happen. Come on, you're going to see the fun. You already know, just come on. Almost. So you take some good trades, and then you go in this, and you go do that. We got Eugene and Jennifer. We got Kamar. We got Steven, and then my one over there. That's all. I'll see you. Come on.
Professor, it's on.
Fine. Darren. Sean. Hi, Darren. Here. Oh, shit.
Have a good one.
All right, good. Listen, all I do is hit sell and go enjoy my surroundings. You saw my student Kamar. Now you're seeing my student in front of me, Eugene and Jennifer. Let's ride their coattails. Right, on the jet ski, you guys already see the ocean. Again, what did we do today? I hit sell and I went and enjoyed my life. Me and the sun are not friends. That's why you see me wearing this linen white shirt. And this is my case for the waterproof, but just hit sell. Do not overcomplicate the markets. Do not overcomplicate the markets. The markets are still open right now, but guess what? I made my money and I'm out. Live this life that you were chosen to live. You chose freedom. I chose freedom. You chose the Signal chat. You chose that Discord. You chose whatever subscription service you're signed up for. I chose this. I'll see you in class. I'm interrupting your class right now to let you know, and I know you know, if you've used my free course, you use my books, I got 3 of them, and it's still not enough and you feel like you want more, well, guess what? I got a mentorship program happening in New York in my classroom, small amount of students in a lecture hall setting where I go through precision what you need to do what? Buy and sell strategically. And if you don't want to come to New York, I yearly have international trips. You can join those. Get a mentor, get everything figured out. I got a secret Instagram where I talk about deeper things that I don't talk publicly. I'll see you in my class. Let's go. Oh, so check this out, right? We took a trade today earlier. We had levels made. Come, let me show you. And again, you believe what you want. Levels don't work. I know. But if you notice, look, it touched my bottom level to the cent. To the cent. I made 4. I always make 4 levels. And now look, it paused here. Now, you know what? Watch this by tomorrow. Go to 5364.50 right there. It's traded literally in the range. We caught our move, we left, and we were jet skiing. Praise God. No, it's crazy. It's crazy. Those levels work really well. Guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Starlink live trading right here. Hasta luego. How much you doing? Just hand it to me on the table.
Was I supposed to grab another card or go through all of them?
Goes through all of them, but then like
You went all 4 of them? No, she went.
if you have time, yeah.
Whoa, wait a minute.
What the hell does that sound, bro?
I just flipped it over.
Gamer jet ski or something out there. Even the slate.
Oh, really?
Or blades.
Madam, you gave me 2 cards.
So I didn't because like
You gave me 2 cards.
Oh no, you didn't say so.
Thankfully it was him, bro. He's doing something.
He's watching a video over and over and over.
Oh. We's connected to the speaker, so it's extra weird.
All right, who's on the team with me?
okay, I'm on your team.
Who get the yellow thingy?
He is.
Oh yeah. You gotta make sure you're not up to any shenanigans.
You're really good.
Shenanigans. It's supposed to.
You get to see.
He gets
Yeah.
because he's the
on
other
your
end.
team.
Then what is he want? Oh, okay.
Just
Hey,
that-
for that.
Make sure you're not.
Okay, are you ready? Right, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
All right, this is something that happens when you die and people think, you know what?
Cremation.
No, keep going.
Am
It's
I-
stuff that it has to do with
Yeah.
ghosts, demons.
Heaven,
Paranormal activity.
Close, keep going.
Activity.
ghosts,
What the heck?
Okay, keep going, keep going.
Haunted.
It's a TV show.
Exorcist.
Keep going. Yeah, it's about
Exorcism.
stuff like that.
Exorcism.
In the world of we can't see it.
Of
It's witches.
spiritual.
She's close. My brain is
Nah, but that's what it is. Like stuff that you can't see. It's part of that realm of reality.
Spiritual realm.
No. Switch. Just pick a different one. Oh, you can do that?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a type of movie genre, book genre. Kids live in this van.
Fiction.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Flip it, my bad. Next one. It's an app. It was mainly used during the virus day. COVID.
TikTok.
Instagram.
Hey. Zoom.
Okay.
Supernatural. The first. Oh, that was supernatural. Yeah.
That's the T.
Supernatural. One word to sum up what you learned this week in this entire session.
Enjoy.
Tell me why you picked that word.
Enjoy. Just after trading, I mean, not sitting on the computer a lot, trying to force trades and take more trades than necessarily have to, but just going out and enjoying the time, enjoying your time, getting stuff done to take your mind off trading, to be refreshed to do it again the next day, if I so choose. So that's the word that I would choose, is just enjoy time. Being in Puerto Rico here, like, this is my first international mentorship. I've done the New York mentorships. This is my first international one. As soon as we get done trading in the morning, you're like, put the computers away, put everything away. We're done. We're going to go out to do stuff. Let's go throw some football. Let's go play basketball. Let's do that. I never used to do that. I used to sit there, get done trading, saying, oh, well, now I'm done trading. I'm going to go lay down. And then I would open back the computer, look at the phone, and be like, oh, here's another opportunity. Let me take this opportunity again to trade again. And not enjoying the benefits of what I'm trading, not enjoying the money that you make from trading, just using that money over and over again, trying to flip it. So yeah.
You know what's interesting about that? That's the way it's supposed to be. Next question, and talk in code if you have to. Don't say too much. What is one thing that you learned this week that you were not doing in New York? I mean, prior to New York's class.
One thing that I wasn't doing, two things. I was not using the zones a lot.
Okay.
I wasn't using the zones a lot.
You see how much the zone was helping?
Oh, yes. Big time. I saw that this week while we were...
It's in the book.
Right. I know it's there, but I wasn't using it a lot from stock layers, just support and resistance levels.
Yeah.
Buying a key support and key resistance.
Yeah.
But I was making my levels with futures.
Yeah.
The same way I was doing with penny stocks.
Yeah.
I wasn't making the levels close. So now I want quick moves, and I make them in the zone and make the levels there, like you showed in the 2 hour, and so on.
Okay. Thank you, Kumar. I appreciate you.
Take the short. Stop loss above 729.
Meeting the professor for the first time was really good. He's exactly how he is online. He's authentic and he's straight to the point, which I really appreciate.
The live trading event is really in depth because you watch him trade and you trade with him, and you do it for like a whole week.
I've done a lot of different trading groups, trade signals, discords. I've had different mentors. The professor's class is a one of a kind, intuitive, interactive class that makes everything super easy and not complicated. We trade what we see, not what we feel. If you come into this industry and think you're going to be making hundreds of thousands of dollars, the professor simplifies that for you. He shows you what's realistic and what is just fake with all the furus out there.
I've seen a lot of his Instagram lives and a lot of his videos, but has that energy, and he's just, very excited to teach, and he just loves what he does, and which is one of the reasons why I came to the class.
The environment around you, most people just settle, are just complacent.
We really appreciate the opportunity to come here and learn how to change our lives and to better ourselves and have very much a better life for not just us, our families, but also anybody that we help with.
Anybody around him is like a spirit. It's some kind of like spiritual thing that anybody that he was just driven. You just wanted to know, what is it? What is it that you got? What is it that you experienced? I want to experience the same thing.
I think learning in person is completely different than learning from a video. Professor gives his whole self. He encourages you to ask questions.
Professor said about like the multiple time frames, and then the importance of that 15-minute, as well as how to incorporate the usage of the candles on the lower time frames and how that affects the overall picture.
The mentality is like so great. It's like we're all so close to what the professor is, and which we're striving to get to his level as well, because he filtered out the garbage, he filtered out the noise.
He gave us mini assignments, and then we went over each other's answers. So just that networking with your peers, you're going to learn so much.
If you want to take your learning experience to the next level, this is it. This is all you need to learn.
He explains everything thoroughly and breaks down every concept of what we need to know and eliminates all the noise.
People are always going to talk. Cut out that noise and just follow what your heart says. Your heart is telling you that, hey, this is something for me, go for it. Don't even think about it, just do it.
Professor always says it in all of his lives. Take the free course. He gets nothing from it. And there's so much value in that free course itself already. What he says, get the book, because it dives deeper into what the fundamentals and how to approach scalp trading, day trading.
He is probably one of the best mentors that I've ever had, and I would recommend him to family and friends because he knows what he's talking about. In the class, he told us exactly what was going to happen pre and post market, and it dialed into a T.
He's super genuine. He seems to really care about his students, and he's always there for you. I can DM him anytime, and
he answers back.
I like his methods. They're simple to follow. That's what makes it easier for new traders to get on board with us.
I'm definitely like the younger one, and it's gonna be different, a feeling, but they're all really helpful. They can relate. You can ask for advice. They'll give it to you, and you can have discussions on what you're confused about and what you can make improvements on.
He gives you the right path where to go to. You're with your professor, and he's leading you to the right path.
Everything that he says, from the levels to mindset, just anything he says, it works.
The first thing that I would say is to watch his videos, purchase his book, because obviously you want to make sure that he is the right mentor for you.
Professor, I will never get tired of thank you. Thank you for all you do, and thank you for sharing your knowledge with everybody, because it's a powerful knowledge. I do believe this is the best skill pay in the world.
Hey, we took 3 trades. Does it feel good to hit sell? So now here's the conversation, right? Who still wants to be in a trade? Hey, you're late to class. What are you doing? We already took 3 trades and you missed out on everything. Sit down. Where's your book? You don't even have your book. Listen, David, page 41. Get him on the book. Let's go. Stop being late to class and be on time. I'll see you. Stop it. Let's go. Continue. We took 3 trades. Hands up, we made money on the trades. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Why did we enter the first short? Who can tell me? Get your notebooks ready. Let's go. Get your notebooks ready. I want you to tell me, why did we take the first short there? ¿Por qué? Why? Let's go. I want to tell me, David.
Focus on multiple time frame levels, and we can.
Correct. And what were they telling us? Stop. Somebody else. Jim, what were they telling us? We're hitting a resistance level. What else? The direction. What was the direction? Sellers were taking control. Did we make the right move? Yes, we did. So the first trade in our favor, correct? And then what happened here? Reversal. We took a what? We took a quick long and we got out right there. Did we make the quick move? Was it a good idea? What if we didn't hit sell? What would have happened? How would your emotions be for the rest of the day? Gone, done, finito, you're finished. Oh, trading doesn't work. I want someone to answer this for me, and I want the exact answer. What would be the reason someone would say it doesn't work? The main reason. Daniel and then David. Losing money. But is it really losing money or not making the money? That's what it is. You lose it. But again, who's to blame?
Yourself.
Could we have easily lost every trade? What if we never hit sell? Could we have easily lost every trade? Didn't you see the volatility, the movement? Come on now. Who wanted to take an early morning trade immediately? Hands up. Put it down. Did we not do it anyway? Have the patience to wait for the market to stabilize, for God's sakes.